Going on, guys? This will be part one of cheap Sea-Doo XP 96 revival. Rescued from almost certain death. This thing has been sitting for 4 years or so, the previous owner told me. He's been his issues were no spark is what he said, but I've actually determined that it won't even start. So assuming the ECU or MPEM or whatever Sea-Doo calls it is bad on this thing. Been trying to diagnose everything on it. It does make compression. It has 155 pounds on both cylinders. So maybe we can get it running soon. Been cleaning it up. It was this thing was literally green, covered in mildew and algae. I removed all the mats already. Got some HydroTurf mats coming for it. New seat cover, new graphics. All these will be removed. I'm gonna buff the gel coat. This black mildew here should come out of this hood, hopefully. Yeah, I mean, it's a stock 787. I have it taken apart right now. It was all original when I received it. Pipes off. Pipes over there on the ground, but yeah, I mean, it should be a pretty fun ski once it's together. I got the front E-box out right now. Been trying to diagnose the no beep, no start issue. It will not spin over unless the starter's jumped. So this is the MPE unit here. Basically the ECU of the ski. I got one of those on the way, so hopefully it'll do something once that gets here. New grips are on the way. But yeah, it should clean up well. I mean, it'll be a fun little project. I picked this thing up for $400 with the trailer. So I mean, I am not upset at all. If it doesn't, you know, if it pans out to be other issues, whatever, we'll fix them. But we'll see. Hopefully we can get this thing diagnosed, and appreciate you guys checking her out. This is a 90s baby here. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see if we can get this thing running.